Hey everybody, Thrift Store Hacker back again, and have a little under $20 hack for you. Really wanted to get some different interesting shots, camera shots for the YouTube channel. I thought, why not a remote control car with a camera on it? So I bought this little remote control car on Black Friday, and it cost me about $9. I put a dollar store camera, the dollar store selfie stick camera mount on here, and I just super glued that on. I'm using my sacrificial cell phone here. And the cool thing about using a cell phone, it'll also come with a light. So if you're doing slightly darker areas, you can light up the area. You notice I've mounted it at a little bit of an angle, so it's got a really nice wide shot of whatever it's shooting at. And we're just going to go take this around the basement really quick and test it out. Well, that worked out pretty good. Not too bad for a 10-minute hack and a little bit of super glue. But until next time, build stuff and have fun.